I'm Dr. Ritakshi, and today I'll tell you about something that will help you in your weight loss journey, except for just exercising and dieting. When we talk about weight loss or losing weight, two factors immediately pop up in our mind, which are diet and exercise. It's that simple, right? But we can make it even more simple. Did you know that there are more factors that contribute to our weight loss or even maintaining our weight, except for just exercising and excluding everything we like from our diet? When it comes to losing weight, gaining weight, or even maintaining our weight, it all depends on how many calories we take in versus how many calories we use or burn. Eating a lot of calories, be it fat, protein, or both, and not spending enough energy will cause you to gain weight. And it's vice versa. If you eat less and spend more energy with movement, you will have a calorie deficit and will lose weight. So a calorie deficit is required to lose weight. Sometimes it comes across that our metabolism plays a part in gaining weight or makes it harder for us to lose weight. However, it doesn't make much of a difference in weight loss until our blood work and hormones are okay. Main thing for weight loss is movement. The more we move, the more energy we use. Simple. Now, there are two types of movements. One is exercise and second is non-exercise activities. Exercise provides us with exercise activity thermogenesis, which is known as EAT, and non-exercise activity thermogenesis is called NEAT. Now, before we focus on NEAT, let's start and learn everything from the beginning. Our total daily energy expenditure is divided into more parts, which includes basal metabolic rate and resting metabolic rate, NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, EAT, exercise activity thermogenesis, and TEF, thermal effect of food. Basal metabolic rate, or BMR, and resting metabolic rate, RMR, are usually the energy requirement of our body when at rest, without any activity. This BMR and RMR accounts for 60 to 70% of our total energy expenditure. 10 to 15% of our total daily energy expenditure comes from the thermogenic effect of food, the calories or the energy used to digest the food we eat. Here's a tip. Protein is harder to digest than simpler carbohydrates. So, eating more proteins will increase the thermogenic effect, which means that more energy will be used. Hence, more calories will be burned. Next is exercise activity thermogenesis, or EAT. This is your planned exercise or workouts. This could also include going to the gym, cycling, playing sports, and even weight training. This accounts for only 7 to 10% of your daily total expenditure of energy. Next is NEAT, our main focus. NEAT is non-exercise activity thermogenesis. This is the energy we use for movement we do during the day that is not exercise. And this is where the difference comes in when we are trying to lose weight. And this can make a big difference. So, what is NEAT and why is it so important? NEAT is the energy we spend doing our daily activities that do not include eating, sleeping, and exercising. NEAT includes cooking, cleaning, gardening, walking, and even just standing. NEAT can provide us with 15% of energy expenditure if you live a sedentary life, and it can increase up to 40 to 50% if you're a super active individual. So, all the activities we do in our day add up and they contribute to burning calories, even when we haven't worked out. Calories burned during a workout or exercising contribute only for 5 to 10%. So you can't just work out for 1 hour and then sit for the rest of the day. That is just not enough. So adding the NEAT calories and the exercise burned calories, they will bring a greater success in reaching your weight loss goals. How do we increase NEAT? First is walk more. Walking is the simplest way to use more energy throughout the day. Take walks after your meals, or plan or schedule a 20-minute walk in the evening or after work. Try to reach 7,000 to 10,000 steps per day, which is amazing. But in the beginning, start with smaller steps and gradually increase. Then you can always use the stairs instead of taking the elevator. Next, stand more. If you have a desk job, take breaks, stand up, and stretch a little bit. Cook your own meals. Cooking burns a lot of calories and is also a stress buster. After cooking, you'll obviously clean up. Cleaning is also a NEAT factor. You can park your car a little further away, and you can pace around when you're on a phone call. These are the most easiest and simplest ways to increase your daily NEAT activities. Final thoughts. Exercise, diet, and NEAT, they all go hand in hand for weight loss. So, eating a balanced diet, a small caloric deficit, and incorporating NEAT with your exercise is the most effective way of losing weight. NEAT has a great impact on our metabolic rate and our energy expenditure, and therefore it's a very valuable tool. It's often the most underrated or overlooked aspect when it comes to losing weight and dropping the fat or just maintaining a certain weight. If you reach a weight loss plateau, before adding in more cardio or training for hours, try and focus and pay more attention to NEAT. Sometimes adding in a few little things here and there could contribute to a greater impact in the longer run. I hope this helped you learn more about how to lose weight or maintain weight without killing yourself in the gym or restricting yourself with the food you eat. Thank you for joining in and hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification so you know when my next video is uploaded. See you.